I am Guillem Mas, I am biologist and I work as a technician for Living Landscapes, a non-profit organization located in the natural area of Collsacabra in Catalonia. The NGO has two main objectives. One is to preserve nature and the second is to do it together with the local people, farmers, hikers, landowners, municipalities. Living Landscapes is focused on those habitats and species of flora and fauna that are more threatened at two different levels. At local level, it means around the Collsacabra region, we focus on those elements that are declining in agricultural landscapes, like hedges, meadows, ponds. On the other hand, at country level, the conservation targets are rare habitats like sand dunes or coastal lagoons, and the endemic or endangered species like native crayfish or lesser kestrel. In order to achieve our goals, we sign land stewardship agreements, which are contracts with landowners or farmers that allow Living Landscapes to execute actions of conservation in their properties. In these actions, we often engage local people organizing activities such as labor camps, volunteer journeys, naturalist excursions. Since 2010, Living Landscape has signed numerous agreements concerning both public and private ownership areas. In case of public areas, such as the beach of l'Estany Tort in l'Ametlla de Mar, the agreement was signed with the Council as a competent administration to authorize Living Landscape to restore, in this case, the dunes and the coastal lagoons. Living Landscapes signed several land stewardship agreements in areas where there are real chances of making an effective actions to preserve endangered or threatened habitats and species. Some of the outstanding actions that Living Landscape has achieved are, for example, building nesting structures for lesser kestrel, small falcon in decline worldwide, restoration of thousands of ponds to enhance populations of amphibians and aquatic plants. We also work on the recovery of coastal lagoons to release Samaruc, an endemic Mediterranean freshwater fish species critically endangered, or improvement of degraded pastures through innovative techniques using vegetal materials from pastures in good conditions. In short, land stewardship is a good strategy that allows Living Landscape to achieve two main objectives of the organization. First, to preserve threatened habitat and species actively and effectively. And secondly, working with the participation of the local people.